So today we have a sort of unboxing. I actually didn't order this in the mail, so I bought it today when I was out and about. I went into Michael's and I bought a card making kit. I know, I've never heard of a card making kit either, and I haven't been in Michael's though for probably like 4 or 5 years, so it's possible it's been there for the last 4 to 5 years, but I sent out cards for Christmas this year and it was actually really fun. So I thought it would be fun to send out Galentine's Day cards this year. So I have some cards. I can only send it, there are only 10 cards, so I have to pick 10 gals to send this to. But I'm excited and it gives me a chance to practice my calligraphy. And I also got bookmarks for people. I don't know who reads physical books still, but we all should. And it's so cute. It's called the Book Club and it has a bunch of paper that's like bookish. So anyways, let's take a look and see what's inside. First, we are going to unpack the card making kit, which has some stickers, I guess, attached to this. I want to call it a belly band, but it's like a wraparound. I'm sure there is a more technical word for this in the retail business, but it is a standard belly band. It tells you what you get inside. We have cards, we have envelopes. It doesn't matter. We're going to look. We don't need to look at the list. So at first I thought this came off like a big top, but it's actually magnetized. So there's a little magnet inside of here. So we could keep this box forever to just hold some cool stuff. So inside of here, we have all of these cute little things. I guess you're supposed to attach them to the card. Oh, yep, here we go. So we have happy birthday, which I'm not sending. I'm sending happy Galentine's Day. We have little cakes. I guess that makes sense. Most people are probably sending cards for birthdays. And we have little gift. We have little, oh, these are cute. These are like little Polaroid things over here. And we have some brown ones for little Polaroids. We have some little gift tags. So all super cute stuff. All right. So we have stickers, again, more happy birthday stickers. And then what else do we have? I know you're like, you're making a mess, Lisa. More happy birthday stuff. Oh, we have cute little dots. If you want to make little dots and draw something. And honestly, I don't know what these are supposed to be. I suppose these could be bookmarks as well. But yeah, so this is just, I guess, paper. Okay, let's get to the actual cards. And does it come with any direction? I guess you're supposed to use your imagination as your directions. But all right, we have two brown ones. We have two sort of multicolored stripe ones, and I believe they should probably, yeah, they're blank on the inside. We have two sort of polka dotty ones. We have two purple ones, which is obviously my favorite color. We have two pink ones, and that's it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, yep, 5, 10 cards inside of here. And then we have, oh, envelopes. I don't know. I was like surprised by the envelopes. You probably need envelopes if you're going to mail out cards. So we have envelopes here. I can put some calligraphy on them. And then what else do we have? We have, I'm guessing this is glue over here. And I guess this is where the, yeah, one glue pen. Oh, it's a pen. It's a pen of glue. I don't want to, oh, it screws off. Oh, it's like, it squeezes out glue. Okay, nothing is coming out. Maybe I have to put a needle in there or something to, you know what I mean, get it to start going. Anyways, so that is the glue pen. And then epoxy dots, we saw that die. Okay, so 51 die cuts, magnetic closure box. What are these? Oh, stamps, three clear stamps. I only see two stamps, right? Two ink. Oh, so these are ink pads. 2 ink pads, and then the stamps must be somewhere inside of here. So, okay. So here are the ink stamps. No, what are these? Ink pads. And then the stamps, where are these stamps? I swear there were no stamps. Am I crazy? I could be crazy. I mean, it was sealed, so I feel like they were in here. I'm just going to say they didn't come with any stamps. but that's okay because I feel like ink pads are messy. Oh, wait, maybe these are the stamps. Yep, we have 3. I think these are stamps. I never use stamps. These seem kind of long though. I don't know that I'd be able to use these stamps with the ink pad. Would I? Yeah, I think these are ink stamps. So let's try it out. There we go. If I'm doing this right. I mean, that makes sense. They're like backwards, so this must be an ink stamp. So if we push this down here on the top, oh yeah, it kind of says happy birthday. I guess I need to work on my ink stamping abilities. But all right, so that is our card making kit. Let's open what I thought would be really cute. And this is the book club. So it's just paper. I love paper. So over here it is sealed, which I appreciate because then people can't touch it. All right, I'm gonna obviously hurt myself with those scissors. Let me take this off. There we go. And there's another one over here we have to get off. That's nice because, you know, sometimes in papers, I know I would just pick it up and start touching it. So, all right. So I think we have all these different sorts of paper. They had like a whole rack when I was there of different like pads of paper. Oh, these are so cute. Oh, I love these. I love this paper. This is so pretty. I love all of this paper. I don't even know what I'm going to do with it. I just love it so much. Oh, look, little like tickets, book lovers club and all different. And these are like all of my favorite colors. I just like instantly love them. Here we go. Bookmarks. I can send everybody a bookmark. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, there's more than enough. I can send people multiple bookmarks. And what else? Horror, nonfiction, biography. The paper is so cute. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to take the bookmarks and I'm going to wrap them inside of the cards like a gift. Oh, these are cute. Book club, book, notes, rating. I love this thing so much. There's so much paper in here. Oh, look at that. Book lovers club. We have just one more chapter paper. We have paper with books on the bottom. And we have just paper with books on it, green paper. That's okay. This one says read all night. This is just cute pink paper. Ooh, this has gold foiling on it. So this is purple with gold foiling. And over here, this is blue, book club, book was better, read more, some more book things. Just a notepad looking thing. This should actually have made a really great notebook. Oh, look, these are so cute. I love these. I don't even know what I'd do with these. I just love them so much. I might just stick them in the Galentine's Day cards and just mail them out. So this is my favorite. So the prices for everything, this was $14.99, I believe. I had the receipt. Oh, here we go. I have the receipt. So the card making kit was $14.99, and then this thing of paper was $9.99. So that's a wrap on my Galentine's Day project. So if you were thinking of things to do for Galentine's Day, you want to send out some cards. I think everybody loves snail mail, and that's the only idea I have right now. But I'm excited to work on this. It'll be fun for me. It'll be fun for people who get them. And that's a wrap. All right. I hope everyone's having a fabulous and wonderful day. And I will see you later. Bye.